isengcupheni impilo kaMamzoba esibhedlela kanti uDifa akasazi ukuthi ke enze njani. uNdlovu yena ke usephinde wathatha omunye umnyango futhi lapha yana ke ethempelini lenkosi. Kodwa mhla uMvelase wa decide ukudila naye kuyoqhuma nhlamvana ezinye ziyofekela. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Umkhokha from the 1st to the 5th of July 2024 on Monday. Difa receives an alarming call from the hospital. A family's sudden rise and flashy lifestyles worries a family member who takes matters into her own hands on Tuesday. Mabosi helps everyone but struggles to help someone who really matters to her. Ndlovu's devious ways comes back to haunt him. Zisebenzele's lies land him in hot water on Wednesday. Someone's illness keeps sending them tumbles into a tailspin. Difa makes a big sacrifice to preserve a loved one's life. Ndlovu turns lemons into lemonade on this day. Mabosi finally crumbles. The councilmen thought they had Ndlovu, but do they? Zisebenzele's love triangle closes in on him on Friday. A revered leader has a meltdown at church. True love finally wins in a complicated love triangle. Then Ndlovu's house of cards is falling apart. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion.